When it comes to home improvement, window replacement is one of the most valuable investments you can make. In Metairie, Louisiana, where the weather can be unpredictable, hot, humid summers and cooler winters, replacing your windows not only improves the appearance of your home but also enhances energy efficiency and comfort. If you've decided to replace the windows in your Metairie home, here's what you can expect throughout the process. Initial consultation and assessment. The first step in a window replacement project is a consultation with a professional window contractor. During this stage, the contractor will assess your current windows, discuss your preferences, and recommend the best options for your home. Expect to talk about materials, styles, and energy-efficient features that would be most beneficial for your environment in Metairie. For example, double-pane windows or low-E glass can significantly reduce energy costs in both summer and winter, making your home more comfortable year-round. Choosing the right windows. Choosing the right window style and material is crucial for both aesthetic appeal and functionality. Some popular window materials in Metairie homes include vinyl, fiberglass, and wood. Each has its benefits, but vinyl is often the most popular choice due to its durability, ease of maintenance, and energy efficiency. You'll also need to decide between different window styles, such as casement, double-hung, or sliding windows. Your contractor will guide you through the selection process, helping you choose windows that match your home's architecture and your needs. Measuring and ordering windows. Once you've selected your new windows, the contractor will take precise measurements of each window to ensure a perfect fit. It's important to get accurate measurements to avoid any issues during installation. The contractor will then place an order with the manufacturer. Depending on the manufacturer and the complexity of your project, it may take several weeks for your windows to arrive. During this waiting period, the contractor may offer temporary solutions, such as weatherproofing, to protect your home from the elements. Preparing for installation. Before installation day, the contractor will advise you on how to prepare your home. This may include moving furniture away from windows, covering floors, or even securing any valuables near windows. The installation process can be noisy, so it's a good idea to plan accordingly, especially if you have young children or pets. You may also want to arrange for someone to be at home during the installation process to answer any questions and ensure everything goes smoothly. The window replacement process. On the day of installation, a team of professionals will arrive with your new windows. The team will begin by removing the old windows, carefully dismantling them to avoid damage to your walls or framing. In Metairie, where moisture and humidity are common, it's essential to make sure the new windows are properly sealed and insulated to prevent drafts and water infiltration. The new windows will then be installed in their frames, and the team will ensure that each window is level, secure, and operates smoothly. The team will also install any necessary weather stripping and flashing to ensure a tight seal. Depending on the size of your home and the number of windows being replaced, the installation may take anywhere from 1 day to several days. Cleaning up and final inspection. after the windows are installed. The team will clean up the work area, removing any debris or old materials. Expect a thorough final inspection of the windows to ensure everything is functioning as expected. The contractor will check for smooth operation, proper sealing, and any defects. Post-installation care and warranty. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a warranty for the new windows. This warranty typically covers defects in materials or installation for several years. It's important to keep the warranty information in a safe place for future reference. Your contractor may also offer maintenance tips to ensure your windows remain in great condition, such as periodic cleaning and checking the seals. Conclusion: replacing windows in your Metairie home is a significant but worthwhile investment. With the right preparation and a reliable contractor, the process can be smooth and hassle-free. By upgrading your windows, you can expect improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, and increased comfort throughout the year. The window replacement process will not only protect your home from the elements but also provide long-term benefits, ensuring your home stays beautiful and energy efficient for years to come.